you dip on?
What is dip on?
Hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and today I have with me my favorite girl, Princess Bella!
And today it's Marla's world and it's my world today.
It's our world today. It's our channel today, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you wanna go? So today we will be doing the Bean Boozled challenge.
Yes.
When
we taste it, like we have to do the right one, and then you get a point, or you pick the wrong one, you don't, and then you don't get a point.
Okay. So Patrice encouraged me to do this, and listen, Patrice,
Ooh,
I don't know how I feel about it yet. Bella, I think you're getting way too excited because you don't understand. You know? So, guys. Wait, Bella.
It's okay.
Wait.
I'm so excited.
Oh my goodness. So, guys, I saw Patrice did this on her channel. She told me to do it. I'll leave the link to our challenge in my description so you guys can check it out as well. So basically what we're supposed to do is separate these, I believe.
Or you get this one, you get a point. Or you get the wrong one, you don't get a point. See this one? You have to get that one.
So basically I'm gonna start separating them right now.
Look, and see this original one? This one is gooder because this one, that one, and then you get a point.
It actually smells good.
I'm gonna try this one.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So we're gonna
it's good.
separate them. So these are either dishwasher or something. So basically, we're gonna spin this, and whatever it lands on, we're gonna try it. Like this. Oh.
I like it.
Say, for example, it just landed on this Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. So.
Ew, why do I like stinky socks? Ew.
So now, what's gonna happen is, I'm gonna try to teach Bella some Patois.
Nope.
And see if she can say them back to me. So I'm gonna tell her like a Jamaican word and see if she can repeat it back to me. And after each round, then we'll spin this. I'll have her spin it. That way it's like a little bit more fun.
Well, I don't want to do that.
Okay. Wait. I'm gonna tell you. Bella, say what ya say.
What do I say?
What ya say?
Guys.
So what ya say, Bella?
Nope. I told you already. I don't want to say it.
Okay. You hear that, guys? She don't want to say it, so she's not gonna say it.
Oh, so can you spin it?
She don't even know what she's in for. So by the way, guys, I gave her apple juice because you know it's gonna be nasty.
Because I always spill this.
That's true. But this is eggnog, guys, because it tastes sweet, and I need something just in case I got a bad one. So yeah. Okay, all right, spin it. Hold it like this.
Okay.
Oh, it's on the peach or barf.
Barf?
Peach or barf. So it's one of these.
Oh my god.
So you have to try it. You have to try one of it. I get the other one.
Okay.
Guys.
I don't like it.
I'm sorry. I guess you know which one that is. is the peach.
So sweet.
That was nasty?
Yes. Totally nasty. Now it's your turn.
She said totally nasty. I got a peach. Peach is good. Wait.
Now it's your turn.
No, I want you to say another Jamaican word.
Nope, I'm not gonna say it.
Say, smile up yourself.
Nope.
Just say it.
Smile up yourself.
Smile up yourself.
And now it's time for my turn. Who's gonna get this
Only
one?
one.
Oh, I am. What do I land on? Ooh.
So this is toasted marshmallow or stink bag.
It's for me now.
So one of these two. You have to choose one of these.
Oh, this is weird, guys. I told you to take.
That is nasty.
Yeah, it is.
That is nasty. Oh my goodness. Patrice, why would you do this to us?
Yes, why did you do this? Oh my god, we tried it like it was so disgusting.
It's disgusting. You want to learn another word? So wagwan.
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 Good job. High five, honey. Yes, honey.
That means I have to turn it.
Wait. We might need new ones because you be spitting on these.
Yeah.
So I'll take them out when she's sick. Oh, you can spin it.
Okay. What should I get?
No, you can't be spinning it more than once. We get two tutti frutti or stinky socks, but we did that already, right?
Yeah.
Did we?
Yeah.
So we do it another time.
Ooh.
We have coconut or spoiled milk.
Ooh.
So that is the white one. So I'm gonna take out two white ones.
This will be bad.
Or not two necessarily. I'll take out several. Because we're not going to use these again. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait.
Okay.
So we have them here, guys. And we're going to try it.
Versus me.
That's good?
Yeah. I told you. Do it again. Make it. This is so gross. Oh my God.
That is nasty! Oh my goodness! Bella, this is the worst challenge ever. Oh my goodness.
This is bad.
Yeah, this is a bad challenge. Are we mad at Patrice, right?
Yeah.
We're mad at you, Patrice. Oh my goodness. This is...
We have to get the...
We have to do another word. We have to do another word first.
We have to get one of these ones. They're so good.
You don't know that. Say Medea.
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 Medea pan the gully side.
No way.
Okay, so now she's gonna spin it. I think we're gonna do 2 more rounds, right? Because these are nasty, right?
We're gonna get these ones. These ones are super good.
They look good. She don't know.
Let's see what we get. Ooh.
So she has coconut again. Bella, this means that's a bad. You could do it over again because we have that already. No, spin it like this. Like this. Okay. So she has the birthday cake or dirty dishwater.
Ooh,
Birthday cake.
A dishwater.
Wait. So it's one of these.
What?
One of these ones. Yeah.
Okay,
That's the one you want, or you want to pick it yourself?
I want to pick it myself.
Okay, so pick it. From here.
Huh?
No, that's not one. That's one. So. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, eat it. You already tried this already. No, we didn't. These are nasty. You try it.
You want me to try it? You sure? I don't want to try it.
Just try it. Just try it, please. You know what? Do you like it?
I gotta spit.
Wow! Wow!
Why are you laughing at me? Guys, that tasted like dirty dishwater. It tasted like detergent.
Oh my! Give me! Oh my God! We have to get these ones. I don't know.
Another word. Say, where the pan?
What is the pond?
Where the pan?
What is the pond?
Say, mommy, where the pan?
Mommy, what is the pond?
Okay. Wait, so now you gotta spin it.
Once.
Oh, you got what you wanted. She got the berry blue or toothpaste.
Ooh, you
Take from take from this.
Yep. Can you get one for yourself?
Yeah.
This one tastes good. It's good.
It's good? Oh, it's berry blue or toothpaste, so.
It's good. I love it.
I have toothpaste, but it's not bad.
Yes, so good. Oh, it's good.
I don't want to eat it though.
This is good.
Mm. So you gave that one a thumbs up? That one is really good. Thank God, because we needed it.
I think we should get the brown one.
The brown one? Okay. We could do the brown one since it's chocolate or canned dog food.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, that's nasty, Bella. That's nasty.
Yes.
But wait. We gotta say in the Maros.
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 That means see you tomorrow, kind of. Say in the Maros.
In the Maros.
In the morning. In the Maros.
In the Maros.
Okay, now you can try the brown one.
Okay, let's see it.
Because we had a lot of them already, guys. A lot of them already.
Ooh.
We're not gonna do that buttered popcorn or rotten egg. You want to try that?
She did.
It's one of these.
What?
One of these.
Ooh. Get one. You get... First is me. First is me, cause.
First is Bella.
Let's see this. I'm not sure. I'm not.
Go. Go.
This is bad thing.
It's really bad.
Your turn.
I'm scared.
Just do it. Just do it. Missy. What do it taste like? gosh. Ah! That's not good. Oh my god.
Me done. Me not do no more, Bella. Why you like this so much? I'm trying to end the game.
No way.
Oh my goodness, guys, I'm done. Just try the brown one if you want to.
I can try it. Okay. This time I have to do it myself.
How does it taste?
I did that for real.
Bella, just stop. We're done. We're done. We're
Yes.
done.
Yes, we're done.
We're done. We're really done. We're never doing this ever again. Ever. Never, ever. This is nasty. This is disgusting. This is gross. Oh.
I didn't never cheat this one. We never did this one.
Why you intentionally trying stuff? You think they're gonna be good? She just want candy, and she can't have candies. Oh, you spit in the counter! Ew, that's gross.
How is that? That's disgusting.
I guess you got the booger. Yes, it's a juicy or a booger. Anyways, let's end the video. Then you can do whatever. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I must say, we're never gonna try another challenge like this.
And then we have to do another video right now because I want to do the ice cream. But Michael ever want me to do it, so we have to do it.
She wanted to do the ice cream challenge that we did before, but we can't do it right now. So yeah, but this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give this video a
thumbs up,
a huge thumbs up, and like, comment, and
in our videos,
subscribe.
in our videos too.
Yes. Okay, guys. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Bye, guys.
See you in another video.